Hey buddies, what's up? I'm back with a new video on my channel, and today we're gonna put this block back together. I already prepared the crank, I already put a new set of bearings in here. We did a little bit of assembly lube on it, on the bearings. Okay, and in goes the crank. That looks good. Okay, let's get the main cuts on, torque everything down, and the crank is installed. Rotating assemblies in, crank, pistons, camshaft, the timing gear, the oil pump is installed. That feels pretty good. Okay, so the next step is we're going to put new seals on the next step is to put the cover back on here and the pickup tube for the oil pump, and then we put the new O-rings, the new seals, the main seals in, put the front plate and the back plate on with the alignment tool, because you have to align them to that. There's like a special tool for that, and then the oil pan can be back on, and then we're basically done at the bottom and just have to put the head bags on, and then it goes back in the car. But we're gonna see this again before we put the heads on. Almost done with building the block. Oil pan is on, everything is back on basically. The only thing left now is putting the head bags on, putting the plate back on here, and then basically it's ready to go back in the car. After we install the clutch pack on it, center the clutch disc, and then put it back in the car. Now the fresh rebuilt engine is basically ready to go back in the car. All new seals, all new bearings, and it's pretty good. Turn it through one time. Turn it a little bit, yes. Good compression. Yeah. Pretty sure this is going to run out of champ. Alright, so now I'm going to get the clutch on and swing it back into the car, and then we're going to see this again when it's in the car, I guess. Alright, so engine is in there, everything is back together, and I would say we're going to start it up now, see how it sounds. And after we start it up, we built oil pressure already and everything. That's it for today. We're just gonna start up, hear how it sounds, and we're gonna see this next time.